G'day everyone. This location where we are is Little River. If you know the Australian rock band, you know what I'm actually talking about because this is basically the place that they call themselves after. So I just thought that might be an interesting fact. What I want to talk to you today is about actually training yourself up. And what you've got to understand is that you never ever stop learning. And that's one of the things that I want to discuss with you today. Because basically, if the day you think you've learnt it all, you really should be starting again. So one of the things that I've actually found is that you can never stop learning, and one of the things that I love to do is target certain photographers that I really like their style, and they're the type of courses that I would attend. And recently I did attend one with Jurgen, and we're going to look through some of the footage where I actually attended that workshop there. I really am particular with who I basically pay my money to attend workshops. I'm not really interested too much in some of the business sides of things anymore. I really like to see how other photographers shoot, and that for me is very important. Whereas when you're starting out, sometimes it might be better to actually look at the business side as well as the posing side and things like that. I particularly like to look at photographers who I admire, people like Jerry Guionis and Jurgen. They're ones that I actually love to see in workshops and basically just really watch how they work. Okay, so here we are with my beautiful granddaughters, Paisha and Lenny. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
One of the things that you do have to determine when you're looking at workshops, I really think it's probably a great idea to try different styles. That's why I have attended ones with Jurgen. I've also attended ones with Jerry Guionis. I even went to one with Jason Lanier here when he was last here in Australia. And I really do like just watching how they shoot and learning from them that way, because I find it's really interesting. And it's a great way of learning too. Sometimes I do prefer the workshops where I can just watch people myself personally than just photographing people that have been set up. Because sometimes if you're doing that sort of thing, you don't really learn that much if you're just taking a photograph of someone that, say, an expert has already posed that model. And I think sometimes it's just good to watch how these photographers work, and I think that's a fantastic thing you can do with these photographers. So what you've got to do basically, you need to look out for workshops where you really think that photographer matches your style. And like I said, I just attended one with Jurgen, and I really did that because I really do like his style. He is probably one of the best wedding photographers that's out there. So that's something you can think about too when you're dealing with that. So basically, let me know in the comments down below what you think about this. You know, do you love attending workshops? I think you really should put money into yourself, and that's one really important thing. It is great money to spend that on yourself. You shouldn't always be buying hardware and things like that. You really should put some money into things like workshop training, because you will always learn new techniques or something different. Anyway, so let me know in the comments box down below what you think about that. And obviously, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you all again in the next video. Bye, guys.